Coming to you from the floor of the CME Group, I'm Eric Wolfman Wilkinson. Let's get in the zone, the cash money zone. It's Monday, the 16th of April. What's going on? Well, people have always been asking me lately why I've moved from the financial room into here, because Fed funds are flatlined. Interest rates aren't going anywhere. There's just not much of a range. But when you come in here, the volatility is high. We've got products that are related to growing yields and stuff like that can send supply and demand up and down on a day's notice. On top of that, you have the dollar correlation. Because this is a dollar correlated commodity, the prices fluctuate with the dollar. Today we're seeing the US dollar gain a lot of strength. All the commodities have fallen out of bed. We've seen crude oil, WTI, come down. We're seeing the soybeans come off and corn come off. We're trading with pressure to the downside. Why is this? Well, a lot of this had to go through with what we talked about the last time. The frost that came early with the early growing planting season. Well, it turns out that it didn't really affect the corn supply, or didn't really give this corn or this new growth a burn, which would have caused the yields to come off. More of that was up in the Minnesota area and stuff like that, not really here in the red belt of America in the Midwest. So I'm trading grains now because we're seeing that volatility. We're not really seeing it so much in the financial room, but something has sparked my interest. They're starting to talk about floating Fed fund rates. Yes, that's the rate that the banks use to trade with each other, the Fed fund rate, the rate that Bernanke, Greenspan are the ones in charge of moving around. Now, if they move that to a fluctuating rate, then basically it's going to go off the overnight rate. You can see a lot more volatility in this, which in turn creates opportunity. So I've been talking to a few people about this floating rate. I might not be in this grain room much longer. We'll have to see. I might be trying to start up another operation trading the options over there in the financial room. So stay tuned. If you can't take that, take it easy.